In this video we are going to see about Android application based fruit quality measurement using TensorFlow. So the first step is we need to capture the image. After capture that image, processing. It's not capturing properly. So next one is it's capturing. Okay, it's shown that result on right side. It is predicting fresh apple with the probability 88%. Actually, the freshness of the apple is 88%. Here we are using that TensorFlow to measure that quality of the fruit. The TensorFlow is open source machine learning and deep learning framework. It can be used to create and run a wide range of different models. TensorFlow also support on mobile device through TensorFlow mobile library. In this video we build an image classifier to identify fruits using TensorFlow. Here we created a simple Android application to measure the fruit's quality. That means the fruit is with the probability of freshness or rodent, like that.